So this is my use case diagram for a music shop web application where a user can shop online, book a lesson, view events or concerts, and they can view posts that other users have put up talking about various music aspects and stuff. For the shop online use case, the user can view a product, and if they like this product, they can add it to the cart, and at any stage on the online shop, they can view this cart. And then in the cart, they have the option to purchase online, where they purchase the stuff via PayPal or credit card, and then they get the product delivered to them. Or they can choose the option to purchase in store, where they are given a order number and they go into the shop and pay that way. And the order can then be viewed by this user. For book a lesson, the lesson can be booked by the user and then the booking can be viewed. For view events and concerts, the user can look at various concerts and stuff, and they're then given the option to view tickets, and they're given a link to go to the website that these tickets are being sold on. For the view posts, this is where other users can put up different stuff about what's the current musical topics and whatnot. The user can look at these posts, they can comment on these posts, and they can also create their own posts for other users to comment on. And for all four of these use cases, the user must be logged in, and if not, they can register if they don't have an account already. For the class diagram, there's a bidirectional association with posts and users. So a user can have many posts where a post can only be associated with one user. Likewise with a comment, a post can have many comments on it, but then a comment can only be associated with one post. And between a comment and a user can have many comments, and then a comment can only be associated with one user. With the bookings, a user can have various bookings, so they can book different lessons for various instruments. But a booking is only associated with one user. For register and login, they're just necessary that they get a general association. For events, it's just a one-time view event. That's why that's got a general association. And likewise for product, it's just to view the product. Between card and user, there's a one-to-one association because a user can only have one card, and then the card's only associated with one user. Then between card and product, there's only one. There's a card can have many products, but then the product can only be associated with one card. And then there's a unidirectional association with order because the card can only create the one order. So onto the sequence diagrams. So we've got login and register here. Very simple. The user gives the login their username and their password. Likewise with register, the user gives email, first name, password, phone number, surname, and username. For the community sequence diagram, the user can create the post, they can view this post, and then comments can be added or removed. And get content is basically the text that's within the comment. So that's the attribute associated with a comment. And then a user can delete a post at any stage once it's been created, of course. View events is fairly simple too, it's just the user viewing the event. Shop online, so the user can view the product. A product can be added to the cart or removed from the cart. The user can view this cart at any stage. For get online in store, this is a boolean, so it's either true or false that the user is buying online, and it's false if they're buying in store. So in this case, if the boolean is false that they're buying in store, then the user will be given an order number once the order has been created. For a book lesson, get date time is getting the date and time of the booking itself. The user can view the booking, and get instrument is the option of the instrument that the user wants to book the lesson for. So it could be guitar, piano, voice. So yep, that's everything.